Now, the first thing we're going to open up is this package I got from Temu. And I advise y'all to check out the old scale stuff on Temu and Etsy. So let's just open this up. I know what it is, but let me show it to y'all. I wanted to get some lights. I should have got them a little longer, but it's okay. I needed some lights for the yard and around the layout. Beautiful price. And what this is a pedestrian walk with the stairs at a beautiful price. I think this cost me $19. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. I know you got to put it together. Now it is 1 4/8, so it should be nice. I'm gonna put it together, and I know I'm gonna get some paint and paint it more realistic colors. But for $19, you can't go wrong with that. A pedestrian bridge, and I really wanted this for my subway set. So we're gonna put this together and see how it looks. It come with these stickers, but they're in Chinese writing, so I probably won't be using these. I probably use these stripe things and this right here. But I'm gonna see how it works. Of course, this comes from, I guess it comes from China, but yeah, this is nice. 19 bucks, y'all. It comes with the instructions as well. Not bad for $19, even though I think something's missing. It has holes for 4 of these, but only 2 came in the package. It's okay. I don't even know what they are. I think I'm gonna put lights in them. That's what I'm gonna do. Y'all know I'm the king of lights. It'd be nice if it was 4 of them. I'm gonna let you check out the finished product. This took me a while to do. I put some street lights down there. The stairs I was telling you about. There's some more stuff I gotta do for it because the railing is not high enough so people could just fall off. I put some lights up there. I custom painted these and made these railings. I put a soda machine up there. Put some more lights there. And I even put some lights at the end of the stairs there. So when people are coming up, they won't get mugged. And I did a brick front. Tried to weather it a little bit. Put some grass there. Not bad. Not bad. Something else I'm working on. I know it looks pink, but I wanted lights going up to the driveway, and I put lights in one of my cars, and I rewired the house. And all of this stuff is on this timer thing, so I could turn it off. You know, I like these. Let's turn it back on. See, it's nice. You could put this anywhere. I made a video about using this before, but Harbor Freight, y'all, $7 or $8. I finished off my driveway. I gotta do some correction on the wiring, but hey, it's work in progress. And what I've been waiting for a while, Train World. The new WTIU. Hopefully this works a little better than the old one. I actually had to use 2 of them to operate as one. People don't talk about the problem these TIUs have. A lot of problems. So let's see if the new stuff does a little better. Comes with nice packaging. You got this right here, the quick guide. Saying a few things. It's only really like 3 pages, but I was watching a video on this, and it's best to download the whole manual. As you can see, it's the same as the TIU, except for it says WTIU, and I guess that stands for Wi-Fi. But with this unit, they're saying you have to plug it up for both channels, so we'll see how it works. Comes with the antenna, and we're gonna hook it up. and see what's happening. I really wanted y'all to see this new WTIU in operation, but I've been so busy on other projects, and look at the mess here. I really have to do a lot of cleaning, and my video for this week really wasn't on the WTIU. I was really more on concentrating on my construction. So maybe on my next video, I'll tell you how I feel about this new WTIU. So we're just gonna run some trains, and that's it, y'all. Till we see each other again, peace.
Indian to dispatcher, let me know when I'm clear. Over. You are clear, Paul. Out.
Bye.